Okay, this is tape 21. It is digital 8. And there is mold right there. You can see. Zoom in on that. There we go. So, gonna remove that nasty stuff. Having to resort to doing it by hand here. You can hear it stripping and see it. If you turn the volume up, you'll be able to hear it. Actually, that's kind of sticking, but look, it's nice and clean now. Hopefully it can play without clogging the heads too much. This is, you know, the what's been happening to it when it's under power. So I've just got it on and it is loosely pulling a little bit, but not enough to pull it. I have to kind of help it along. Yeah. And this is tape 21, yeah. Okay, just an update. I put 21 back together, put it in a player, and it started to shred. You can see the width of that tape is half of what it is. So it's just sticking and it's shredded. So I gotta open it back up again and see what's going on. Okay, I've put tape number 21 back together. Again, the tape itself is now there. Hopefully it doesn't split again. So I've got it up on here. Play. Come on. Okay, here we go. And it's Sedona. So, that audio, I'm not sure if it's the wind out the window. Yeah, it is. Okay. Success so far. I don't want to jinx it, but there's a little bit of pixelation there. Because what can start to happen is the tape is running, it can start to pixelate. I've got to stop it, clean the heads. The tape, oh, here we go. Oh, shit. Here we go. And it happened. So, that is, yeah, look, it starts to pixelate. And it's bad enough with digital 8, let alone, so put the cleaning head in. It's bad enough with video 8, but digital 8, even if digital 8 is in good shape, it still does this. It's gonna clog the head. And let's see. So I'm playing that. This is the video head cleaner running. Give it a couple seconds here. And after this has all been captured, I've got to take the player to pieces and manually clean the head. Let's see if this goes again, mate. Come on. Ah, fuck. Yeah. Yeah, it doesn't sound good when it's in there. Yeah, look, it's split. Yeah. This is tape number 12 that appears to have no, there's no mold visible on it, and I put it in the clean. I put it in the clean pile, and I'm just testing a few out, but this is what I'm getting even on tape. See, look, we got that line there and the colors are different, and this is happening. So, yeah, that's tape 12 from 2000. So, yeah, and this one here is clean, visibly looked okay. But even still, these tapes need to be baked. And I've got a dehumidifier that I've got to run them through for 24 hours. I put them in, I've got it in the back over there. Dehumidify these tapes to extract the moisture from them, and then open them up and then clean them. And then put them back together, and hopefully it'll work. Test tape here, we've got tape number 45, which again, this one I put in the clean pile. There appears to be something on it though, but let's have a look here. Okay.
Y aquí está Nicole, y mira, aquí Elan. Déjenme verle las caras a los dos.
Yep.
Give me a smile, baby.
It's immediately clogged the video heads.
Déjame ver el vestido de Nicole, mira qué bello.
So that tape just clogged the video heads. So I'm gonna now open this up and clean it. Yeah, these tapes are, and this is one that I thought was good. I put in the pile that looked okay, but here's tape 34. Now this one here looks really clean. No apparent issues with it. And pop it in here and play. I got it running up here as well, but I'd be up to see. Yeah. 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 And this is one that looks good. So, yep. Here's another one that is clean. This is from 1994, so tape number 3. And put in. We got rolling up here as well. So, blue screen. You hit fast forward, and that's all you get off of it. No audio, nothing. Okay, so tape 3, I opened it up and I've just finished putting the rest of the screws in there. Alright, so fingers crossed. Say a little prayer to the Sony gods. Ah, crap. Good.